Hello, this is Svetlana Shapitsina, and this tutorial is about implementing Google Material Design in AngularJS with Material Design frameworks. I'm using Web Store map shortcuts and autohot keys during my work. All of them you can find in my video description on YouTube and download. A new Material Design standard, Material Design language, was announced first on Google Annual Software Developer Conference in 2014. And it's a language inspired by paper and ink. And it has grid-based layouts, responsive animation and transitions, padding and depth effects such as lightning and shadows. And like real paper, digital material can expand and perform intelligently. And to understand principles of material design, you need to visit official material design specification page, and you can just type google.com design and material guidelines, and you will find explicit documentation about material design layouts and principles. And today we have many web UI frameworks based on material design that created by inspired with this new language designers. And we will start from Materialize responsive front-end framework. And in order to start, you have several options, and one of them is demo templates. And with Materialize, we have two of them. And first, it's just starter. We can click and take a look, and it will be more useful to download. Extract folder. Here is project, and I copy it to disk C up starter template, and I will rename it to start. And then on Web Store, open up Materialize Start. Okay. And first I need to find index, and when we open folder, we can find 3 folders with styles, with fonts, and JavaScript files. And here is our index, and I have possibility to run just this way, and it works. It's responsive, and it's good start for your future project implementing Angular material design. And it's about Materialize starter template. And if we download Parallax, if you prefer Parallax effect, extract, you can see how easy it is. Parallax template, copy, Parallax, start, close this project, open new. materialize, and the same structure. I just run index and run. Also has responsive design. And in order to see parallax effect, I need to use this way mouse scroll. So you can see it is amazing. And you have a choice from which starter template to start your work. And with Materialize, it's very easy to get started with the demo template. And next will be Angular material. And this is getting started, and we also have several ways, and on Angular material I like it the most, working with this project, because it has amazing grid system, amazing layout system, and I will show it in next tutorial. And today we get started also with starter project. And we need to clone it. One of ways. I will copy it to clipboard and then close Materialize. And instead of open, I click check out with version control GitHub. Angular material start. Yes. And it's almost ready. We have a folder up, we have index, but unfortunately we cannot run it immediately. And on website we have documentation how to get started, and it's on material start GitHub guidance tool. And to follow it, first you need to open terminal // and I run shortcut NIS npm I save them, enter, and just wait a little bit. It will install all node modules for us. Almost done. And after everything will be installed, you need to make sure that everything is included. All dependencies are included in index.html folder. So it takes some time, and in order to save our time, I will run project that I already created, and it's open up. Materialize. is Angular material. Material start master. Okay. And you can see that all Node modules are installed, and with npm install we have Bower components ready for us. And all I need to do, run project. And you can see it works like this. And reload, and it's responsive. It has sidebar navigation on small devices. You can shrink it to any size. And it has a footer pop-up. And you can see that everything works perfectly. You have AngularJS basis for your project, and all you need to do just explore how it works. And I will show more about layout in next tutorials. And it's Angular material starter, and next will be Linux. Here it is, and also we come to get started, and I need to tell also that on material design with Angular material, except this demo with on GitHub, we have very nice demos for each UI component. And all you need to do, click on source, copy files code, and run on your project. Just try it. And on Linux, we also have documentation about how to start working with this framework. And we have option, like on all these frameworks, we have option installing with Bower on your own project. And on installation, getting started, we have possibility to download Linux, and I prefer to download from GitHub, and I already did it, and I will run because I started showing this project from the most easy to implement on with starter project, and Linux, unfortunately, the most tricky. So I will close Angular material and open up Linux starter templates, and here it is. And it's pretty tricky on adjustment, but when you follow all instructions, you will have possibility to run gulp serve, and you can see that this is exact copy of a real website. Let's find it. Here it is. It's also on localhost, and let's open Linux. Here it is. Here is this website, and you have possibility with run and starter. project with you will have everything in demo project, and you have possibility to have this real implemented with Angular material principal website with Linux framework. It's responsive. It looks nice on any device. Also has sidebar. They all look similar, but it's your choice which one to choose. So it's Linux, and before starting, just follow all, read all installation guides, and you will be able to run it. Okay, and beside this project like Materialize, Linux, and Angular material, we have a lot more of them, and if you need more inspiration, I will show that you will even find hard to choose one of them, and it's called next one. I will just show it's MUI. Here a lot. Also documentation, support, and you can see that it doesn't have as many components as previous, and they all take all principles from Google Material Design, as I show on the beginning, that you can find all principles here on Google Com Design. And it's one of them. And next, it's Material UI. Also similar principles, material design, and you can take a look on components, paper, and it's also responsive. Okay, it's Material UI. Next, leaf, and we come to components. Some of them you can see ink effect too. And here on news, for example, you can find last changes, and I especially like this flip animation like on Fame iOS. And in order to have possibility to compare, to choose just one, you need to try each of them to choose which is better for you. News, and it's a lot of to explore. It's about leaf, and next material design for Bootstrap. Also the same principles. Everything responsive. All design, all components with minions. It's for Bootstrap. And next, there are a lot of them, is Bootwatch. paper, nice tables, nice colors, animation. You need just to try. Text analytics. And next, waves. It's also have inspirational possibility to inspire you for work with material design. You can see this ink effect and notifications, all these buttons. Just small example, and on reload it is called waves. Nice. And next, paper collapse. I did my best to find as many as possible, and on this framework also grid is used. And with all this projects in implementation, you can see how naturally works animation, and you are inspired to touch, to click on buttons, to use this application. It's SVG, my face. Okay, explore. It just gives you possibility to view on GitHub, and it's about delightful details transitions. And it's linked to Google. And that's it. And the last one, Polymer, it's actually a Google project implementing Google Material Design, and you can also explore how it works and get some inspiration. And you need just to try to have your experience. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.